Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On this video, mainly you'll see us getting off the Uber, dropping off our luggage and going through checking in and with immigration and getting onto the cruise as well. Also, you'll see a video of how our stateroom looked with the washroom, the view we had. Also, you'll also see us getting off the cruise. You can take a look at the immigration line and how to grab your luggages, and of course to keep an extra hour or two just in case if the line gets bigger, as you saw in the video.
guys, the fishies on the floor. It apparently determines which way the boat is facing. So this is going to be the front because the room is at the front of the boat. So that's one of the quick tip. Yeah. So follow the fishies. We just got off the clearance and all the stuff, just waiting for our Uber ride back. And as we get off, you probably see right over there people are getting on as well.
Hope you guys enjoyed the cruise videos. Comment below and let me know your thoughts. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.